Good morning. Today is a very special, exciting and chilly day. Sorry, I'm one-handed, I'm wheeling my bike. I'm taking part in my first ever race. I have my number in my pocket. I am lucky number 4 and it is a beginner's crit. And I just wanted to kind of share the day with you because I'm so excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am. So oh shit, my glove, one sec. This isn't prepared now, my oh, for sake. I'm trying to film! Elle's there, so you'll recognise Elle. Right, let's go. Of course I'm the last one to start. Thank you! I'm just turning it off.
Exactly the same thing from the start, and that's probably the best thing.
So far so good, Zoe? So far so good. I've not took anybody out or anything like that yet. That's what we like to hear. Yay! It's so windy. How's everyone finding it? It's easier this way than that way. Yeah, we'll just stay this way. So we've just done a very quick skill session of like an hour or 40 minutes, can't remember how much it was. Just getting used to the course, getting used to turning and cornering, riding in a group, because it is a beginner's like session and then crit. So yeah, there's about 30 of us, which is amazing. So yeah, it's just very exciting. I'm really like, I feel like a bit nervous but very excited just to go out and just have a go at it, because I've wanted to do it for so long. And thanks to Amy and Elle. Elle you saw in my America videos, but I'll introduce you to Amy afterwards. They've just sorted all this out and it's just so good and so encouraging that so many women are wanting to race. So we're having a quick 5-minute cup of tea and then I think we're going to set off.
Everyone's waiting for you, Kate.
Oh shit, are they actually?
Look up.
Sorry! Are they waiting? I can't.
Oh, there's always one in there. It's always
the same one as well. I've waited this long.
Always Katie Kookaburra.
It's just one. Go!
Come on, ladies! Woo!
Awesome! Amy's at the front.
Keep pushing.
Amy's at the front.
Yes, she is.
8.
5 laps to go! 5 laps to go!
So this was the first race and everyone went off a lot harder. There were a lot more breakaway sections in this race. And so I have got loads of footage from the actual race. I've got like the 20-minute effort that we did. So if you want me to do a separate video on that with like my power data overlay, then let me know and I will do that. But until then, this is just like some of the clips from the actual race.
Go on, Amy!
Go on, Amy! Go on!
Go on, 3 laps to go! Go on, Katie! Woo! Yes, that's it.
4.
Go on, Amy!
Go on, Amy! Go on!
Woo!
14, 8, 11,
Woo! Nice finish!
23, 20.
Yes! 26, 14 and 4.
Well done, girl. Awesome.
That was so much fun!
That sprint finish is epic!
My legs can't go any faster!
Well done!
So good! Well done, ladies! And then she said sorry afterwards. I was like, do not be sorry, that was amazing! Like, you did so well!
How was that, Amy? I think everyone has had the same reaction.
I can't stop smiling. So much fun.
So well.
So much fun.
My name is Amy and Elle, aka My Lucky Girl Race Series. People
Basically put today's race on, so I just wanted to have a quick chat to you. And why did you put this on? Like, what was it?
Because no one else was doing it for us.
Yeah, Amy wanted to race and we needed to make a solution for that, and we knew that there'd be more like women like Amy who wanted to go into a novice only race and just give it a go, and here we are basically.
No one's going to do it for you, do it yourself.
So we fought every hurdle, got through everything, and put on a race.
And how many women did we have today?
There was 30 on track today.
It just, and you said it yourself before, like it just proves that there are so many women that actually want to race and want to get into it and want to give it a go. So.
There was 60 women actually signed up, and quite a lot had to drop out for various reasons, whether it was a bike that was broken or anything, and that you're bound to get that.
But you're always going to get that,
Yeah.
definitely.
But yeah, 30 women still turned up, which is insane.
Which is more than any
race here has
other
ever
women's
had.
race has ever had.
Yeah.
It's so amazing. How do you feel that? You can see like how excited.
And do you know what the best bit was? Because I obviously couldn't race. Being the race organizer, I'm not allowed to race. Seeing everyone come off, beaming, like so happy and
I'm
so
still
excited,
beaming.
and wanting to go again. People going, can we do a third race? Like, no, okay, we've done 2. We've had enough. But yeah, big thank you to everyone who did come and supported us. And yeah, here we go again.
I can't wait to do it again.
So I basically won the first race and came 3rd in the second race. The second race, I didn't go off early enough because I am a crap sprinter. And then it was like the sprint finish, and I'm just terrible at sprinting. I am the worst sprinter possible. Regardless, it was so much fun. I can't even tell you how fun it was. I absolutely loved it, and I really want to get into it. So I'm going to get a race license. I'm going to start riding more. I think there's some more in February that I'm going to do in Wakefield, as we were just talking about. So I'll put all the details below if you want to come and ride. This is exactly what I needed. This like intro to crit racing or into racing in general is amazing. And honestly, what Elle and Amy have done is just given everyone that bit of confidence, I think. And I'm just so grateful for them for doing this and just like doing what I always wanted to be able to do. So I'm just very hyped up, very excited. I'm going to drive back now and have some celebratory tea. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.